So I've done a little bit of digging into these data centers, and according to American University, they went out and they measured how loud they were. They can be between 65 and 70 decibels, which is about like a washing machine running. Um, but it's really not the loudness that bothers the residents around the data center that that I just researched. It's the frequency. Data centers emit a very low frequency sound, and those low frequencies, the waves are spaced very far apart, and they travel a long ways, and it kind of creates a rumbling sound that you can hear and sometimes feel. And one of those problems is that the CDC has actually said that living close to these data centers can cause anxiety, stress, and heart disease. And looking at the breakdown of the numbers when it comes to the economic side of things, it can drive up your electricity bill anywhere from $14 to $30, and that's from Dominion Energy in Virginia. They have a data center that was put in, and the rate per megawatt hour didn't go up, or kilowatt hour, but the transmission fees and the service fees did. And the data center, they paid only 30% of the cost of the infrastructure to handle them. The citizens, through their electricity bills, had to pay the other, or had to pay 50% of it. And I don't know where the other 20% came from. My guess would be that they got us on the back end again by using our taxpayer money. So yeah, while technically it is true that your electricity rate doesn't go up, they use that word specifically, your rate doesn't go up, your service fees and transmission fees will. Now, if we had some type of guarantees, like if they would pay taxes, they're not paying taxes for the first 10 years on the one in Buffalo. If we had local control, or at least state control and regulations, if they would put up, noise-proof barriers, if they would fix the infrastructure that they destroyed during the construction of it, then we might be closer to accepting it. But there's a whole lot more. I mean, they say they're going to replace 120% of the water, but I don't know where they're going to get that water. That Google's based in a part of the country where water it's rationed. I mean, you're not even allowed to water your lawns in California a lot of times. And states in the Midwest are suing each other over how much water they can use from the rivers. So I'm not sure where they're going to get this water. And if they're going to truck it in, that's going to destroy the roads, trucking in that much water at 8 pounds a gallon. So that's just some numbers for you to look over. But the thing that bothers me the most is it was announced to us last minute. We were told it is coming, and our sycophant governor, Patrick Morrisey, he said he was surprised at the backlash, but he doesn't care. It's going in anyways. And the corrupt Speaker of the Legislature of the House of Delegates, Roger Hanshaw, just serendipitously happens to be representing the company that's putting the data center in. So, I mean, the corruption's right out in the open. It's like two dogs out in the field. They're not even hiding it anymore. So what can you do? Well, I will say this. People think this is a deep red state. It's not. It's 40% Republican, 30% Democrat, and 30% independent and other. So get out and vote. Even if 3/4 of Democrats would just get out and vote all the way down the ballot, we could flip the entire legislature, and we could get rid of people like Carol Miller and Shelley Moore Capito. So I appreciate you listening to me, and hopefully we can make a difference together. Thank you.